Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. Let's get right into it. Today is Wednesday, June 8th at the New York close. Starting us off with micro oil, we opened gap up from the close of yesterday. Had an initial selling off, found a floor, and then they never looked back. Melted all the way up. And ultimately closing, I think at 122.59 is the close there. So we are well above yesterday's close, and we are net positive in oil. Now gold, if we take a look at gold, we opened just ever so slightly above the close, had a ton of selling off, found that floor, much like oil. Never really came back. We did have some retracement as a support in this area at these HVAs. Again, these HVAs, high volume areas as we refer to them, are available for our students the evening prior to the next trading day's endeavor. So that means they are ready to go for the overnight and pre-market sessions before the pit actually opens. If you're new to futures, futures are almost open 24/7. There's exceptions for holidays and such like that. They're not open on Saturdays. They do open Sunday evenings, though. But gold also finishing net positive for the day, closing at 1855.2. Now our equities here. What a choppy day. Let's just scroll back so we can see. We did open. Oh, if I can scroll back properly. Inside of the range from yesterday, we opened below the close, and we did have some initial selling off, found a floor, and then they kind of just meandered their way up. It looked like the buyers were putting on the pressure. Sellers were certainly fighting for a while, and if you take an ultimate view at this and just really look at it, you just got a bunch of traffic and just junk here. So it just got choppy. This was a battleground. They did not want to go any higher. Those buyers, no matter how much they're trying to push it up, just could not get that movement. And then around lunchtime, it just dropped. And you can see there were several responses around these HVAs. Monster winners. If you haven't seen any of Patrick's win-loss break-even videos, that goes over these winners and losers and break-evens based off of these HVAs, very same HVAs that we're talking about that are given to the students the night before. Go check it out. But ultimately, we did finish below the close from yesterday at 41.13, I believe is the official close. Now, NASDAQ, similar story. We opened below the close, but not as far away as the ES. If we just scroll back, we had some initial buying, and the close, I believe, was just right here. And then those 2 seconds, not even 2 seconds, seller stepped in, made that floor, and much like this morning in the ES, it was a little choppy and was a fight, but decent response around those HVA levels. Again, those buyers could not take it up any higher. And like the ES, around lunchtime, the floor came out and they just drove it down. And they had a real tough time. This is pretty much the low of the day. They could not make it any lower for the most part. And we did ultimately finish down on the day from the prior day's close. So we were about 12,609 or so for that last number, but we are down, net down in our equities, positive in gold and oil. If you are interested in finding out more information about these high volume areas or HVAs and how you can get them onto your charts for your next day's trading endeavor, or if you're interested in learning how to trade futures, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can go to our Facebook page or find us on the internet at targettradingacademy.com. Get in touch with a representative at either location, and you'll be shown into our rooms, and you'll be able to see what we do each day. And you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.